Hey everybody, Raw Hog here. We had a few questions about the gun we used in the Franklin Armory binary trigger. It's an M16 Clone. We thought we'd do a little review on it. So, Clone meaning it's similar to M16. It's not really fully automatic. It has it does have a Franklin Armory in it. So that is one thing that is installed in this. Other than that, if you want to take a look at this is an Aero Precision lower. Stamped with that there, and M16 Clone, as you can see, it has safe. It has safe. Let me open that up. Safe, semi, and then burst. So again, it's not a 3-shot burst. It's just, it's the binary. So on this, which it has that selector, so you do get a semi-automatic with that one, and then you put it to burst, and you get it binary, which is pull the trigger, it fires, and when you release the trigger, it fires. So you can go boom, boom. Anyways, I'll post that video down below. But this was the rifle we used in that. And like I said, it's Aero Precision. All the lower parts, Aero Precision. The only thing in the lower is the trigger, like I just said. The stock is pretty neat. It has a little storage, little flap in here. I don't know if you can see in there. Lots of storage in there. I mean, that's a pretty good little space, but that's pretty neat. We took off the old GI sling, for this video. So, anyways, we'll turn this over here, and as you can see, it needs clean. We shot it a little bit. It has a cryptic bolt, forward assist, all those things. It also has the We the People charging handle, extended on both sides. It can be charged from both sides, so that's a neat feature. And it also has a 20-inch FN barrel on it. So it's a heavy barrel because I knew they was going to put the heavy rate of fire trigger in there. The binary shoot a little bit more, a little bit heavier. So other than that, I think that pretty much covers everything. It's pretty nice looking gun, pretty sweet, and it's a nice build. So anyways, without further delay, we will head outside and take a few shots, and we'll see you down at the shooting range with the M16 Clone. See if we can. Little pineapple. Jackets, I'm seeing chunks come out the back, but it is coming out the back. All right, now we're going to switch it over to binary, and we're going to get a little closer and try to do a mag dump in there. Oh boy. All right, well there it is, the Aero Precision lower with the 20-inch upper from FN. Did pretty good. Shot at a few things, hit that. The pineapple I was hitting it low, and I could see chunks coming off of it, and finally just gave up. So I couldn't seem to, I mean, there's pineapple chunks on top. Of course, we've shot it, as you can see, we've done a little buckshot work. And the mag dump, I mean, you saw how it functioned, I mean, flawlessly with the binary trigger in there. But wasn't quite as cool as I was hoping as far as blowing chunks out. So, but anyways, on this next video, I just want to warn you, some of the footage can be a little disturbing. We're on a hunt with this thing, and you got to make good shots. And we grazed it, and it kind of got a little perturbed, and it came charging right for us, but we ended up taking care of it. So just letting you know that. So sit back and enjoy the show. What we can do with the M16 Clone, Aero Precision. Is that hitting it? It's going through it. Oh, here it comes. A little dirt on us. Boy, this one's got him, folks. It's a hell of a hunt. You know, sometimes these things can be dangerous. They come right for you, you know. So I missed a few times there. Wasn't sure what was happening, but we got this one. Pretty good shots. When I finally did hit it, got in the bottles pretty good. Didn't ruin too much of the insides. That's gonna make a good pumpkin pie. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed this video with the old Aero Precision lower M4 Clone. So, anyways, if you found any value in this video, which you probably didn't, please go down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because there's gonna be more stuff like this, more incredible hunts like this. Like it raw.